Okay, hello grade 1, how are you? It has been a week since we met last week. Today, we want to continue our lesson. Last week, we have learned about sound. Sound mainly comes from different sorts. And what are sorts? Do you remember? Well, the sorts is anything where the sound comes from. And some sounds are soft and some sounds are loud. Okay, before we start, we will check your understanding first. Do you remember this lesson? Now, open your science pupils book, page 125 until 126. Come on, open your book. We want to do this exercise. Number 1. What sound does each animal make? Use the helping words. Look at this. Okay, use the helping words. Quack, moo, squeak, buzz, roar, tweet. Okay. A. B. How's the sound? Bird. How's the sound? Duck. Cow. Lion. Mouse. Okay. I know you can do this exercise. Number 2. Camille is watching a concert. Name 3 sounds he can hear. Oke, kamu lihat nih si Camille sedang melihat konser. Lalu kamu cari ya 3 nama yang si Camille ini kira-kira bisa dengar tuh suara apa. Kamu tulis di bawah sini. 1, 2, and 3. Sounds Camille can hear. Okay? Number B. What are the sorts of these sounds? You write here, sorts of sound. Dari mana itu suaranya? Suara yang Camille dengar. Misalnya Camille bisa dengar suara applause. Nah, itu suaranya dari siapa? Dari these people. Okay. Is each sound loud or soft? Tulis di sini kira-kira suaranya keras atau pelan ya yang si Camille ini bisa dengar. Mudah kan? Kamu tulis di bawah sini ya. Tulis begini. Do like this, okay? Next. We want to learn about why do we hear sounds. What do you think? Why do we hear sounds? Do sounds move? The telephone is ringing. Look. Why are Tom and Lily able to hear the sound? Tom, the telephone is ringing. The ringing sound is different today. Lily, did you change it? Okay. They can hear the sound because it enters their ears. It moves from the telephone to their ears. Jadi mereka ini bisa mendengar suara karena suaranya ini masuk ke dalam telinga mereka. Ya, suaranya ini bisa berpindah dari telepon ini ke telinga. Ya, dari telinga lalu masuk ke otak kamu. Oh, ini suara telepon. Next, look at page 128. Tom walks away from telephone. Can he still the telephone ringing? Can he still hear the telephone ringing? Does the sound get louder or softer? Yes, I changed it this morning. I don't know. Like this ringing sound, I'm going to the kitchen. Okay. Look at this. The sound gets fainter or softer when it is further away from the telephone. Jadi si Tom ini, ya, karena menjauh dari teleponnya, dia nggak suka nih karena diganti suaranya sama Lily. Dia pergi ke dapur. Ketika dia pergi ke dapur, suaranya semakin pelan, softer, ya, karena dia semakin menjauh dari teleponnya. Next, we hear sound when it moves from its source and enters our ears. Jadi kita bisa dengar suara ketika suaranya masuk ke dalam telinga kita. As the sound moves away from its source, it gets softer. Jadi kalau misalnya suaranya semakin jauh dari kita, kita juga akan mendengarnya semakin pelan, semakin tidak terdengar suaranya. Look at this picture. Okay? I can hear the sound of the siren from here. Ya, ini ada mobil polisi. Dan ada anak kecil ini ya. Dia masih bisa mendengar suaranya loh. Why is the girl able to hear the sound of the siren? What do you think? Kenapa si perempuan ini masih bisa mendengar suaranya? Yeah, because this sound enters to her ears. Ya, suaranya bisa masuk ke dalam, move from its source and enters to her ears. Okay, does the sound of the siren get louder or softer as the police car moves away? Kira-kira semakin pelan atau semakin keras suaranya ketika mobil polisinya ini semakin menjauh? Ya, softer ya. Suaranya semakin pelan. Now, open your worksheet, open your science activity book. You want to do this worksheet 4, page 84 until 85. Okay, listen this radio.
This is a light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This is a light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This is a light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine.
Make sure the music is not too loud for your ears. Okay? You want to do this exercise. A. What is the source of the music? The blah 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 is the source of the music. Sumber suaranya dari mana ya? Kamu tadi dengar ini. Kamu tulis di situ. B. Why are you able to hear the music? The music moves from the blah 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 and enters my blah blah blah. Oke. Mengapa kamu bisa dengar musiknya? Karena musiknya berpindah dari and dan masuk ke dalam blah blah blah. Kamu isi ya. Number 2. Now, listen this radio. And walk away from the radio. Walk away from this music. Come on, go, walk away. Does the music get louder or softer as you walk away? It gets blah blah blah. Right there. Ketika kamu semakin menjauh, suara radionya semakin keras atau semakin pelan? Kamu tulis, oke? Now number 3. Walk back to the radio again. Come on, go back. Does the music get louder or softer as you walk back? It gets blah blah blah. Waktu kamu balik lagi mendekat, musiknya semakin keras atau semakin pelan? You write there. Okay, next. Can sounds be blocked? The music is too loud. What is Raj's mother wearing to block the loud music from entering her ears? The music is too loud. It will harm your ears, said Raj's mother. Ya, jadi musik yang terlalu keras ini bisa bahaya untuk telinga kita. Jadi mamanya Raj ini dia menggunakan earmuffs. These men are wearing earmuffs to block the loud sounds from entering their ears. When he drilling into a wall or tree, he need to use earmuffs. Okay? Kenapa? Karena ini berbahaya untuk telinga. Telinga kita akan sakit kalau mendengar suara yang terlalu keras. Ya, kamu nggak boleh dengar suara yang terlalu keras, karena ini bisa membahayakan telinga kita. Okay, now we want to try this. Listen to some music from radio. We want to practice. Listen this music. Okay, before listen this music, put on earmuffs. Ya, kamu ambil headphone or earphone or bolster. Bolster itu guling, ya. Kamu boleh kalau di rumah nggak punya earphone or headphone, you can use bolster. Guling. Kamu tutup, gulingnya kan panjang. Kamu tutup ke telinga kamu. Okay? After that, listen this music.
Feeling inside my bones. It goes electric wavy when I turn it on.
Is it louder or softer?
Inside your soul. Just open up your heart, let music take control. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off of
Okay.
it. It's so phenomenally, the room unlocked the way we rock it. So don't stop.
This is our lesson today. We learned that sound can be blocked, okay, when we use earmuffs, and sound can move. Sound can move and enters to our ears. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. God bless you.